guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Bun on Windows 11 operating system. So let's see all the process and the steps. Here if I open this command prompt again and if I write there pwsh minus minus version. So here you can see this PowerShell that install. Now here in Google search box right there Bun, then you can go this bun.com site. Thereafter here, this is the Windows, this command we need to use. Copy this command. Thereafter here, opening this place PowerShell. PowerShell 7.6 is the current version. Paste this and press enter. So PowerShell, then -C, PS1, this here, or currently, or this is downloading. And after sometimes this will do the installing of the Bun inside the Windows operating system with the help of PowerShell. This you can see the percentage. 100% that's done. Now waiting for so this here successfully installed. Now this time if you write there Bun, so here you can get this all. So this time there is no any problem.